Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Loom Wireless Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug the Loom Wi-Fi extender into a power socket near your router for the first time setup. Wait until the power LED becomes stable, solid light, not blinking. This means the extender is ready. Locate the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. Press and hold the WPS button for about 2 to 5 seconds, depends on your router. The router's WPS LED will start blinking, showing it's searching for devices to connect. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on your Loom Extender. The WPS/signal LED on the extender will begin flashing, indicating it is trying to pair with the router. After a short while, the signal/Wi-Fi LED on the Loom Extender should turn solid green, or stable. This confirms the extender has successfully connected to your router. Unplug the Loom Extender and place it halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Avoid placing it too far from the router. Plug it back in, wait for the LEDs to stabilize. If the signal LED stays green, you're good to go. If it turns red or weak, move the extender a bit closer to the router. Done. Your Loom Wireless Extender is now boosting your Wi-Fi using the WPS method. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.